This is the first of a small series of videos to show you examples of how I use the Sublunar Almanac. In this first example, I want to find an auspicious moment for a working that involves creating a sigil that will help me defend an attack from somebody. So the forces of Mars are very helpful in doing that. To do that, I click on Settings, I locate myself here in Berlin, Germany. The sigil should happen in the next month, so I am filling in the number of days. I can hide everything in the past. I'm using the sidereal zodiac, so if you do that too, make sure you click this. All the modules that I can use in the almanac, I usually deactivate all of them and then just activate the ones that I need. In my sigil practice, I use the magical framework of the hygromantia, so I activate all these modules. I also want to know which zodiac sign the moon is in, and for this specific working also what sign Mars will be in. Of course I could activate more modules, but from my experience, the more modules I have activated and the more information I see, the more confused and insecure I get about my auspiciousness selection. So I'd always try to keep it as minimal as possible. This looks good, so let's click Generate. So here we can see all the planetary moments of the next month. And now I will use the filters up here to narrow down the possibilities. I forgot something. I also wanted the planetary days and hours. So let's activate those two modules and regenerate. So first of all, I'm going to narrow down by just using or displaying the days of Mars and the hours of Mars. So it looks already much better. Let's see if I can find a moment where also the moon is in a Martian sign. Click here and here. Looks very good. Let's see if I can narrow down even further by checking if Mars will be in one of his signs. Looks amazing. There you go. Out of all the planetary hours of the next month, there are 3 that look really good. Let's see. Yes, the moon is in Aries. Mars is in Aries, and it's the day and the hour of Mars. And the hygromantia tells me also that this is a good auspicious hour for war and victory. This looks much better than I expected, so now I can click on here and download it to my own calendar and set myself a reminder so I won't forget that I will have to do my sigil during this hour. Thanks for watching and see you next time.